Hello crafters, this is Flavia and I appreciate you stopping by. Today we will be creating with the Spellbinders May 2024 Small Die of the Month. With this set we get metal plates to cut out two types of bird, flowers and leaves to create an adorable scene. I have been having a lot of fun creating with this die set and I hope you enjoy this video. Let's begin by assembling the die-cut pieces. I used leftover pieces of cardstock by Spellbinders to cut out most of these die cuts. I actually have been using Spellbinders cardstock a lot lately since they offer beautiful colors and the quality is great. To glue these pieces together, I'm using the Bearly Art glue so I can be sure that my note cards will last a very long time. And remember that we can always add some depth to these die-cut pieces by ink blending over them with a blending brush and a darker shade of ink. Let's now add some texture to the background panel by dry embossing it. To do so, I will be using the Spellbinders Head in the Clouds embossing folder. I usually mist the cardstock with water before placing it inside the embossing folder to avoid cracks and tears on the paper. However, today I will be using a shimmer spray instead so I can add some sparkle to the background panel at the same time. Then, to help me eliminate any warping on the paper, I will adhere this dry embossed panel to another piece of cardstock, and only then I will adhere this panel to a top folding A2 size note card. And now let's have some fun creating an adorable scene with these die-cut elements. To make the eyes and the beak of each bird glossy, I will go over them with a clear gel pen. We could also use Ranger glossy accents to do so. And later I will add some sparkle to their cheeks by using a shimmer pen, and then I will add flat back beads to the center of each small die-cut flower. For the sentiment, I decided to simply add a leftover hot foil sentiment strip from my previous project. However, if you want to, know that you could also stamp a sentiment on this panel. In that case, you must remember that in order to get a good stamped result, you must stamp your sentiment before dry embossing your panel. Here is a closer look at all of the note cards that I have created so far with the Spellbinders Tropical Friends die set. If you're interested, I have a list of all products used in the description box down below. If you make something inspired by this video, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see what you create. For pictures and more information, make sure to visit my blog. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Take care and happy crafting!